Hi, Sally Sue.
Hi, Joy.
We're out of treats.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry.
That's no fun.
Well, I could run out and get more, but...
No, that's okay.
You know, but you were doing so good in your pictures, we didn't need them.
I know, and, you know, there's other things than treats. There's toys here, and there's humans to love me.
Well,
that's fun. What's in there?
Your new owner.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Hello. What's your name? Yet to be determined.
Yet to be determined, but I'm sure it won't take long. Look at this cute little thing.
I know. Look how cute I am.
You are. You're looking at Paloma with the empty goodie wrappers.
Yeah, that's why I'm a little jealous.
Well,
I do have one thing. I would like to be the only dog in my new home.
yeah.
Okay, just so everybody knows.
Well, I know. You can do okay for a while, because Paloma's right here.
And then I get a little antsy.
Well,
you know,
some of us can't handle a crowd.
Yeah, well, that's me. Can't handle a crowd.
Okay, we gotta go.
Okay, bye.